Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you could join us. So this week we have a request from a community member and her name is Crystal and she writes, Good day Crystal. First, let me start off by saying I love your work. Oh, thank you. I really need your help. I'm getting married soon. My colors are royal blue, blush, white, and silver. I am having trouble coming up with the flower arrangement for the tables. Please help. Well, Crystal, I could feel it in the spirit that not only were you having trouble, you wanted to make sure it was budget friendly. So I challenged myself, went to the Dollar Tree, and I tried to find as many items from the Dollar Tree that I could. And guess what? This is what I came up with. I am so excited to show you how to create this Dollar Tree inspired Fairytale wedding centerpiece. So what are we waiting for? Let's get to it. So I'm using 3 Dollar Tree items to create this pedestal. 2 4-inch glass tapered candle holders and 1 7.5-inch glass salad plate. So you can use E6000 or Gorilla Glue, either one of those will work fine. I'm using high heat hot glue just for, speed's sake, so you guys can see it all put together. But if you're going to use the other options, be sure to give it at least 2 hours to cure before you move on to the next step. So you've added your 2 candle holders and your plate, and there is your $3.75 pedestal. Next, we're going to measure out our metal ribbon, and then I'm going to simply bend it, and if you have wire cutters, you can just snip it and it comes off fairly simple. We're going to add that high heat hot glue just to the inside rim of it and attach it to the rim of our glass plate. Hold it for at least a minute to a minute and a half before moving on to the next section. I'm moving a little bit faster than I would recommend just for speed's sake. Now you have an option. You can leave it like the crystal it is, or you can spray paint it any color you would like. We're going to attach anywhere between 4 to 6 strands of our gem garland, and all you're doing is adjusting the little round hooks that they come with and just putting it right into the little hole on your metal ribbon. And then in between each of the garlands, you're going to attach one of your teardrops. You're going to continue that pattern all the way around the perimeter of your pedestal. Next, attach your 6-inch styrofoam half ball to the top of your pedestal with hot glue, and you're ready to attach the beautiful flowers. Well, Crystal, how did we do? I hope you love it as much as we did creating it for you. Can you believe that this pedestal was created with 3 Dollar Tree items? The Dollar Tree can really save you so much money. Well, if you guys like this video, by all means like us, subscribe so you can be the first to know when our videos are posted. And if you have a question or you have a comment, leave it right down there in the bottom in the comment section. We love answering your questions, and we love receiving your comments and support. It does take me a little bit of time to get to comments, but please know it is on my schedule and they make sure that I get to it as soon as I possibly can. I love answering them myself, so there's no one else who answers the comments or the questions. It's always me, MissPlanIt. Well, guys, if you'd like to hang out a little bit more, head on over to our social media and you can spend more time with us. So follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. And if you have not already signed up for your Rakuten account, formerly known as Ebates, I don't know what you're waiting on. Everything is opening back up. We can have those venues where we can have our family and friends with us as long as everybody stays safe. And so head on over to Rakuten, go on down to the description, click on the link, sign up for your account. When you're ready to shop, sign on to your account, find your vendor, and make your qualified purchases to receive a check at the end of the month for your shopping pleasure. Well, guys, our time always goes by so fast. I want to thank you for taking the time to spend with us here on our YouTube channel. We know you have so many options, so we do not take you spending time with us lightly. I also want to remind you that if you would like more DIY tips, cost-saving tips, just fun information that's going to save you money and make it fun for you, head on over to our website, MissPlanIt.com. You can click right there in that corner and it'll take you directly there for more instructions, both pictures and words on how to create our beautiful projects, as well as cost-saving tips. In addition to that, we have a free resource library. We are revamping everything because I want to give you guys a lot of things that I've discovered in doing this so that you can use it for your own wedding or your family events. So I just want to thank you again for joining us. Don't forget, all of the links to the supplies are in the description right below. Just click on that show me more or show more, and all of the links are there for your use. Well, guys, as always, it was a pleasure hanging out with you, and I just want you to remember that when every penny counts, you can count on MissPlanIt. Take care of yourself. I'll see you soon. God bless.